Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. I am Vishali Gupta and we will be starting again our third chapter, and today's topic is properties or rules of subtraction. Our topic for today is properties or rules of subtraction. There are some rules and properties to be followed while doing subtraction, and the first one is order of numbers. What is order of numbers? Same as we read in chapter 2 addition, that whichever number is at first place, now it will go to second place and second number will come at first place. For example, I am subtracting 100 from 300, so my answer will be 200. But when I am subtracting 300 from 100, I can start subtracting. But 1 minus 3 I cannot do. 1 minus 3 I cannot do. So this is easy for me to do this, but not this. So it says order of numbers cannot be changed. Order of numbers cannot be changed in the case of subtraction, though we can change it in case of addition only, because in addition 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2 remains same, and in this case doesn't remain same. So let's move to our next property, that is subtracting 0. What do you mean by subtracting 0? Means we have to minus 0. When I minus 0 means 780 minus 0 means we have not subtracted anything. So my answer is same, 780. So what result we have got? We get the same number. Whenever we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as the answer. In any of the case, like in addition, when we were adding 0, we get the same number. Same in subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Let's move to third property, that is subtracting 1. We have to subtract 1. This isn't same as addition. While subtracting 1, 98 minus 1, the answer would be 97. 98 minus 1, answer is 97. So what is 97? Can you see here 97 is the predecessor of 98? We get predecessor. So whenever we subtract 1 from any number, we get predecessor. This we have studied in chapter 1 also. But when we add 1, we get successor. So basically when we minus 1, we get predecessor. Let's move to fourth property of today, that is subtracting 10. So some students will say, ma'am, I'll do like this, 784 minus 10 and my answer would be 774. Yes, this is correct. But I'll tell you an easy method today. We need not minus. Directly from question we can write the answer. It's just that we need to write the places, ones, tens, 100. Whenever minus 10 will come, see, here is 0, no need to subtract anything. Only this place is changed now, 8 minus 1, 7, and this place is also same. These two places are same, only 10's place is changed. So 784 minus 10, it means we have to change only 10's place. Whenever we have to subtract 10, don't subtract and show. Directly you can write by changing the 10's place. And how we have to change the 10's place? Decrease 10's place by 1. We have to decrease the 10's place by 1 number. It means 1's place will remain same and 10's place from 8 it will become 7 and here it will remain 7. So decrease 10's place by 1. 784 minus 10 became 774. 784 minus 10 became 774. So see how easy it is. We can directly do from the question. We need not show this thing. So let's move to next property of today, that is subtracting 100. It is right. Fifth property is subtracting 100, and sixth property is subtracting thousands. Okay, so let's do. Subtracting 100 means what? There can be any number, 2, 9, 4, 6, minus 100. So how we got to find the answer? Will you minus and then show? No, not required. Simple thing would be to write the places here, ones, tens, 100, thousands. Subtracting 100 now, so in 100's place only, we can subtract one number. Rest numbers will remain same. 2 means here are some places, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Thousands place will remain 2 only. 4, 6 will remain 4, 6 only. Only 9 we will decrease by 1. So 9 will become here 8. Here was the question 2946. Now answer is 2846. 946 became 846. Directly we have decreased 100 through one number only, and it's easy because we need not show minus. We can directly write the answer. But these tricks can be used only in the case of 10, 100, 1000 means the number with zeros, right? So let's move to next. So next is 6, 2, 4, 7, 8. Let's say this is the number and we have to subtract 1000 from this number. Simple thing would be to write the places simply. Then now subtracting 1000, it means we have to decrease thousands place by 1. Only 1, because rest 3 are zeros को minus भी कर देंगे तो it would not make any difference. So simply we will change this place, and or we can write the answer here. This number would be same, 7 would be same, 4 would be same. Only 2 we will do minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and here 6 is same. So my answer now is 61,478. Question was 62,478. Answer is 61,478. So these are some properties of subtraction. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.